Okay, traders, yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot and it is analysis for the coming week. Now this will be from the 3rd of Feb to the 7th of Feb, so it's just a 5 market move on gold. So this is top-down analysis from monthly time frame, then we'll be going down to 4-hour time frame. But for the purpose of this analysis, I'll be pointing out market structures in 1-hour time frame. So make sure that you watch this analysis until the 1-hour time frame, because in 1-hour time frame is where I provide those possible entries for the coming week. And now in this analysis, I'll be pointing out the wave counts now, as you see in the price chart, and also I'll be pointing out the trend lines, the support and resistance, and also I'll be reading out the candlestick patterns and the candlesticks just for the purpose of identifying those possible entries. So actually, under confluence of all these factors, I am able to provide the probable directions in the coming week. So now I'm going to chart. So okay, going deeper now, you see monthly time frame is more clear because I have just added those wave counts in monthly time frame, so we can now clearly see what are we looking for. So actually now you can see price currently is pushing to the upside very strongly. But if you look on the RSI, you can identify something different, because you see now here with an overbought condition, and currently here you see there's no much gain in bullish momentum if you look on the RSI, but on the price chart you see there is a stronger bullish January candle. So actually with these formations now, there is a clear indicator of a possible reversal at the current price. But in lower time frames now, we'll understand exactly why market is strongly pushing to the upside at this level. So, and also remember that this month market has marked the highest price of all the time. So it has gained the highest price of all the time, the 28,000 price on gold. So let me go to weekly time frame and see what is happening. Okay, now almost everything can remain the same as it was in the previous week analysis, but there is minor divergence or changes from what was projected now in the previous week analysis. So okay, looking on weekly time frame, we see prices at the all-time high, because previously we were here, so price at least moved to the all-time high, the 28,000. So it is now 2816 level, almost that level. So actually now looking here closely, now you'll see this week opened with a certain bearish momentum, but actually it failed to keep on pushing to the downside. So later on now, from Tuesday, market kept on pushing to the upside and gained a certain bullish momentum, but slightly rejection on Friday we see there. So now this trend line has remained true. If you look closely now, you will realize that now the trend line has remained true, so price is almost trading below the trend line. So now we can just identify these two levels as the levels of the double tops. Now these can be marked tops. Okay, so now this is what is happening in weekly time frame, and at the same time you can identify we are looking for the possible fourth wave to the downside. So now in most case we may expect price is going to paint some candles now, bearish candlesticks at this region here. So this is an overview, but actually in lower time frames we can see things now more closely or in detail. Then let me go to daily time frame and see now what is happening in daily time frame. Okay, now if you look here closely, you can see in daily time frame price moved beyond this level, and we didn't expect anything to happen last week. We're looking for a possible break out of this channel, but price continued pushing to the upside. But beautiful thing is price has been remained within a channel, because you see on Friday price tried to push up, but after hitting the upper channel reversed to the inside. So now in most case with this formation, we expect that now when the price is going to move out of this channel to the lower side, so there might be a stronger bearish momentum happening here. So that's what we are looking for. But up to the moment now, you can identify something different here. So okay, we had this previous move now to the downside. This is an ABC. Then we have this current push to the upside. This is also an ABC. So now we just take this formation as an expanding flat. So if it is an expanding flat, so it is valid for wave B to break above the beginning of wave A. So the next thing we are looking for a possible wave C in completion of the fourth wave to the downside. So that's the overall picture now in daily time frame. So for those who know the Elliott wave, I'm sure we are together. So you can go in your price chart in daily time frame and just try to confirm if this formation is valid, and then go so you can say maybe if this is valid or not. That is powerful. Then also let's go straight to 4-hour time frame. Okay, let me go to 4-hour time frame and see what is happening. So in 4-hour time frame, this formation has remained actually the same, except wave A has been changed from a 5-wave move into a 3-wave move, and this wave B has broken above because previously we didn't expect this break to the upside. So currently we remain in the same direction, looking for the possible wave C to the downside, but in an expanding flat. So that is possible. Okay, so another thing is if we look closely now, we see a sort of bearish momentum begin here, but we have several levels. So in most cases, we expect now price is going to just respect these levels. So okay, currently we see we have this minor level here. So we'll see now in 1-hour time frame what is expected, but actually price is going to bounce at this level. And also we have this trend line, also price may react here. So once we have completed all these levels to the downside and we are here, so we will be 100% full that we are going to complete wave C to the downside. But up to the moment, price can do anything with the upward movement, and this will be also provided in our daily updates. Okay, so finally let me go to 1-hour time frame and see what is exactly happening and what are the possible entries. Okay, so now in 1-hour time frame, what we are looking forward is we're looking for price to break those levels to the downside. So this projection, now the projection provided here is going to be invalid if price is going to move above this level, the 2816. If price is going to break and move above this level, now the current projection is going to be invalid. So how are you going to trade next week? Okay, so next week you'll be watching for a possible slight completion of price to the downside. Then we'll see price pushing to the upside in a corrective way, a corrective mode. So once price is at the level now around 2808 and form sell confirmations, so from there we'll be taking sells now with the first target at 2794. So we may go in that way. The first target, the short target at 2794, and also if this level will be broken, so we'll be holding with the sells with the next target at 2762. So now that's how you're going to trade, and now other targets will be now based on previous levels of support and resistance. But all in all, let's expect for sell if price will rise to the upside around the level of 2808 without breaking above the 2816 level. So that's the overall projection. Do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, and also follow our website www.asamforex.com, where we provide the signals, now the trading signals every time. So thank you and have a powerful weekend.